Hey yo, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Today what we're doing, quick little video, is if you look right here, these are the old smog heads off of my 360. And what this is for the air pump, smog pump, whatever you want to call it. And with the Magnum exhaust manifolds that I'm going to run, or if I run headers, whichever, I need to plug these up. I need to block them off because they go straight through right above the exhaust valve. All it is a straight hole right through there. So what I am going to do, and I'm going to try and show you one here one-handed. See, I've already done two, but I'm just going to tap these. Okay. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. Might not be able to do it one-handed. Oh, especially if the ratchet's set the wrong way. Let's see, can I get it started? There we go. We got it started. So all I'm going to do is, this is a 5/16 by 18 tap. I'm just going to run this through, and I don't want to go all the way through because the set screws that I'm using, I want to give them something to bottom out on. But I also want to go deep enough so that it will sink in. But anyway, you get the idea what I'm doing with this. I've already tapped this one, and I've already cleaned it out and everything. So I'm just going to give you a quick show. Sorry about that. Yeah, honestly, I need two hands to do this, and I can't find my tripod. I had a spare. My primary one broke, and I had a spare, but I don't know what I did with it. I put it somewhere where I could find it, and now I can't find it. Anyway, I will be right back. Okay, guys, this is the set screw that I'm using, and if you can see, it's an Allen head. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm putting a little bit, yeah, well, there's a lot of it, but it won't matter, of red, come on, focus, red Loctite on the threads. I don't know if you can see that too well. There we go. And so all I'm going to do is just thread this there we go, get it started. And just going to thread this in until it stops. Tighten it down. That one I might have gone a little bit deep with, but that's okay. I can still get it on there. Tighten it down, and there you go. That's all blocked off. Okay, I'm going to do the other two. I already did the other head. Some of these heads, you can go right with a 1/4-20. These ones here, for whatever reason, they got 5/16. And I didn't have to drill them. I could have, but it's such a small difference. This tap is going right in there. So I just have to clean the tap out a little bit more because it is taking a bit off. But yeah, the good thing is I didn't have to drill them. So let me finish this, and I want to thank you all again for sticking with me. And we'll get to the degreeing the cam. I will be dropping these heads off again at the machine shop and having them go through them and do a valve job on them, a proper valve job. But anyway, thank you all for sticking with me, and I appreciate all the subscribers, and welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you very much, and y'all have yourselves a good weekend. We'll catch you on the next one.